What's up, guys? Today is the day I finally got my ZabFab Subcage. Been waiting on this for a while, super excited to put it on. Powder coated the same color. I could not be more excited to throw this on, so we're gonna go ahead and take off the seat. I'm gonna show you guys how to install it. So first off, we're gonna go ahead and take the seat on. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take out the 4 bolts. So I gotta take off my plate and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna work on getting all these bolts free so I can mount the subcage. So now we're gonna go ahead and install the new subcage. Now when installing the subcage, I've kind of noticed that there's a little hole right there, if you could see that. So I got a fender eliminator piece right here. It's like a block off plate or something. Not sure what brand it is. It came with my Grom. So I'm just gonna put that there to hide that hole and then put the subcage over that. So I'm just loosely putting on the nuts and bolts on the back side. Then I'm gonna put the plate in here and then just kind of push it all up and then put the bolts in the front. One thing I do appreciate is the size of the bolts and the nuts. They are a good size for it. Definitely gives me more confidence in it. And they're nylon threaded nuts, which is nice. All right, and here it is. I'm super excited. It matches perfectly with my bike. The powder coat matches perfectly with the other stuff I have powder coated. I just sent him the powder coat color and everything, and that worked out. So super excited about that. Now this one does have sliders on both ends here, so that way if you fall, it protects it. And this one also has the slider on the back side that is replaceable. So if you like scraping, you can just throw you a new one of those bad boys on there every now and then. So I'm gonna start trying to learn scrapes and everything, but I like that because on my Get Bent that I had before, I had scrape marks all over it, not from scraping, but from falling, but you get the point. It just didn't look that good. So now you'll just have a little scrape mark there, and I'd much rather have that. So that is one of the biggest things that I love about this subcage. Now I do love this subcage and I love pretty much everything about it, but some complaints that I have. This kind of seems on a little bit of a weird angle, the little foot placement. I don't know, it seems like it should be like that. I don't really use this. I've never really used that, but I'm gonna try to learn. So maybe I'm just wrong. I really don't know, but that seems a little weird. It seems like it should be more like that. I don't know. So we'll figure that out. The bolts were super friggin' long. Yes, that's nice, but definitely get ready, take some pre-workout or something because those bolts are long, so you're gonna be turning a while. And my last complaint is just the fact that it takes a while to get one of these made. It takes a while, especially if you order like a special powder coating color. It takes a while, so definitely don't be in a hurry. But anyways, a big shout out to ZabFab for sending it out. I'm super excited to try it out and everything. So make sure to check them out on Instagram, see what they have to offer if you guys are interested in their subcages or other parts. They also make some oil pumps and stuff like that. So that's awesome. As always, make sure to like and subscribe for more content. I'm gonna be reviewing this very soon. So if you guys are interested in the subcage in any way, form, or fashion, make sure to check out the videos coming out soon and I'll give my thoughts, impressions, and probably end up wrecking it. But anyways, guys, check you guys out later and check you guys out later. Check you guys out later. That sounds terrible.
So gay.
Dude. I'll just end it like that.